Do you know what that means? It might be folliculitis. Folliculitis can happen in any part of the body, even in the scalp. It happens because the hair follicles can get inflamed. Because they become a little swollen and reddish, many people confuse them with pimples. Folliculitis can cause some symptoms such as itchiness, pain or sensitivity, burning sensation, and rough, dry, or flaking skin. Folliculitis usually appears because of ingrown hairs, but it can also be caused by fungal or bacterial infections, causing some redness on the skin and small bumps filled with pus, similar to acne, that cause itchiness and burning sensation. It is more common on the buttocks, groins, legs, arms, beard, and scalp, and is more likely to show on people who wear tight clothes, wear makeup, those who shave. Today we will show you 4 tips to treat folliculitis naturally. Wash with neutral soap. Wash the affected area with warm water and soap twice a day. Dry with a clean towel and avoid sharing it with other people. Use hot water and laundry detergent to wash any clothes or towels that had contact with folliculitis. Warm compress. A warm compress on the area can help alleviate the pain and swelling. Use a clean cloth when doing the compress. Boil 2 to 3 cups of water. Wait until the water is warm, then add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. Soak a clean towel in the solution and squeeze to remove extra water. Gently press the towel over the affected area. Repeat the process several times a day, using a new clean cloth each time. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are contributing to you and your health. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help our channel. Use aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is refreshing and can help alleviate the itchiness, redness, and swelling. Besides that, aloe vera also helps with some cases of bacterial infection. Look for a pure aloe vera gel without perfumes or chemicals. Clean the affected area with water and neutral soap, then apply the gel. Try essential oils. Medical studies show that some essential oils have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Did you know that some essential oils can work against bacteria and fungi that cause folliculitis? The essential oils that can help treat folliculitis and other skin infections are cinnamon, lemon, clove, tea tree, chamomile, eucalyptus. Avoid essential oils if you are pregnant or nursing. They might be unsafe for babies. Besides that, these oils should not be applied directly over the skin. Remember to dilute the essential oil in a carrier oil or a moisturizing cream. Always do an allergy test before using essential oils over the skin to avoid any possible skin issues. If you try any of these tips but the bumps keep appearing, talk to a dermatologist to find the best treatment for your case.